guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ugo, and as you can see, I'm looking lit. I'm looking litty, and I'm looking lit with the help of some Clinique products I used today. This video is in collaboration with Clinique and JUMIA in anticipation for their Slay Festival this February. The Slay Festival is where people come together and talk about things. Different brands come, like an exhibition basically. So you come, you slay, and you get you just get it going on. I will also be at the Slay Festival representing both Clinique and JUMIA Nigeria, because Clinique is also in partnership with JUMIA Nigeria, as you can get their products on JUMIA Nigeria. So I am representing both Clinique and JUMIA Nigeria at the Slay Festival. So if you would like to see me, I'll leave the description down below of the address, time, and dates of the Slay Festival. If you want to watch and learn how to create this look using some of my Clinique products that I got, be sure to stay tuned. See, I'm just lit because I can't believe how bomb my face is looking. I think I've danced alone. Alright, so we're just going to go straight into the tutorial. Bye. And by the way, guys, these very people are going to pity me. In case you're seeing something on my teeth like this, it's braces, right? I brushed my teeth this morning. It's braces because I fell and my teeth moved, and then they said I didn't need the iron type of braces, that I can get this type, and I did it. So the point is that I brushed my teeth. That's my point. So please don't think I did not brush my teeth. Okay, so we're just going to go right straight into this video, and I'm going to start with what I got. And yeah, everything I'm going to be using on my face today is not going to be from Clinique, but majority of the skin products are going to be from Clinique. Capish? Alright. Okay, so first things first, I am going to moisturize my face with the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Oh, I was about to read again, but it was French. Gel Hydrant. I won't try because I can't read French. It is for combination oily to oily skin. What I like about this product is that when you put it, unlike some other moisturizers, when you put it on your skin, it still feels like it's leaving your face like greasy. But this one is like straight up, you feel moisturized, but it's not there. I think that's what the whole gel formula is about. So I'm just gonna put a few pumps on my face because I like my face moisturized. I don't like my face to look too dry. I don't like it to like look cakey. I feel when your face is dry and your foundation is matte and everything else is matte, and you put powder, it just feels too dry, and I cannot deal. Next, I'm just going to prime my skin with the Ever Matte Poreless Primer from Becca. This is a very good primer for people that have really oily skin, for those of you that really ask me. So I'm just going to put it in my problem area, that is my nose, my forehead, basically my T-zone. So I'm just going to put it in T-zone so that we don't, get greasy throughout the day. Next up, we have the Clinique foundation, which is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus Concealer. So it's supposed to be a foundation and concealer in one. It says this foundation and concealer in one covers thoroughly with a lightweight feel. Oh, so it's supposed to give you a lightweight feel, so it's not going to feel like cake. This is my first time using this foundation, by the way. I have heard good things about it, but this is my first time trying it, and I'm in the shade 21 Cream Caramel MG. So when you open it up, it comes with a wand like most concealers come with, and I want to believe they did like this so that you can get in those areas and perfect some places. So I'm going to place the foundation on my face now. It has like a red undertone. Yeah, it has more like a red undertone, not yellow. So I'm a bit skeptical about that. Today I'm going to be using a brush to blend it out because I think I'll be more comfortable using a brush to blend this out. Take this first. Okay, now that I'm blending it out, I am not too mad at the color. By the way, the brush I'm using is from JUMIA, so you can get this on their website. I think it comes with a set. They sent this to me in my prayer package. So I will say it is full coverage, not like extremely like anything crazy, but it is full coverage, and actually it looks, you could say it looks a bit flawless. definitely see that it is full coverage, which is the concealing effect that they were talking about. Next up, we have the Clinique Line Smoothing Concealer, and I'm in the color 09 Medium Honey. Now I'm gonna be putting the concealers in areas I usually conceal, which is under my eye. Okay, I definitely like this color. I like this color. It looks like it's full coverage as well, so I'm hoping it is. Some on my jaw, just a bit on my forehead because I already have a very small forehead, and down the bridge of my nose like this. This time I'm going to be using a beauty blender and not a brush, because I prefer using my beauty blenders to blend my concealer. I feel it's more precise. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. I like the concealer because it's blending, you know, it blended into the foundation. Maybe because they're like the same brand, so they have like the same ingredients, I don't know. But it just worked really well with the foundation. Okay, now I know the rave is real. The rave of the concealer is real. By the way, my beauty blender is from Newborn Beauty. I'm going to make it with my Sacha buttercup to set my face, because as much as, you know, it's a 2-in-1 perfect concealer, conceal, I need to set my face. Why not? So my powder is running out. I really like the way my skin is looking. I like it. It looks really nice. Everything is really sinking into the skin, which I like. So I'm going to set my face now using my Sacha buttercup powder. So I'm also going to be using the Sacha buttercup powder to set my face. As usual, I'm just leaving some powder underneath my eyes, because in case of fallout for eyeshadow. No, I am all set, and I must say it is looking really good. I really like it. The Sacha powder has brought some color back to my face that I like, so I really like it. So now, yeah, it's looking good. We're looking good. So I'm just going to draw my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. So up next we have the Clinique eyeshadow, and it is the Clinique All About Shadow. It's a quad, meaning it has 4 shades in it, and the color I got was 03 Morning Java. I picked this color because I felt the shades in it were neutral and things I could, you know, like work with. That was why I actually chose this color. So it comes in this really sleek packaging. So this is what the eyeshadow looks like. Really cool. So this is the quad of 4 shimmer eyeshadows. There is no matte eyeshadow in here, but I think this can pass for a matte, but bear in mind it has shimmer in it. So I'm not a fan of putting shimmer in my crease. So what I'm going to do is take my bronzing powder and a blending brush. Let's see, which one do I put today? Preferably my color blending brush, and I'm just going to, you know, create dimension before I use the crease and the lid colors. So on the Clinique eyeshadow, they kind of told you how to use it. So for them, you should have 3, of course, on your lid. You should use 4 on your lower lash line, and on the outer corner of your eyes, you should use 2 on your lid. You should use 1 to highlight your brow bone. So they basically told you how to use all that. So I'm just going to take an eyeshadow primer and put on my lid. Now I am going to take, I think I like this color more, which is number 3. I'm going to be taking this shade and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I like it. The eyeshadow is blending really well, because I like to bring my eyeshadow up to my crease. So it is blending really well, which is nice. I'm not struggling, not patchy. Nice. Next, they said we can put this dark shade in the outer corner. So I'm just going to take a more dense brush and just put that in the outer corner to give the eyeshadow a bit of depth. Ooh, nice. So just a little bit. A little goes a long way with this one. So you have to be careful so you don't like put too much. And my blending today is on point. I love my eyeshadow right now. It looks really good. It looks so good. My friend's at the back and she's like, so they said we can put the color, the first color on the brow bone. So I'm going to be doing just that because I followed their steps and it's working. So I'm going to keep following the rules, all right? Ooh, not bad. Not too, you know, not too high shine, but not at the same time it's showing up. Not bad at all. It really blends in. I actually really like it. I actually really like it. So guys, off camera I put some falsies and I put some black eyeliner on my waterline just to, you know, give the eye some sharp look. And I'm leaving for my eyeshadow right now. Like, I am leaving for my eyeshadow right now. I'm following the rules of this eyeshadow palette, this quad palette. So I'm going to go back in with this shade and I'm going to be putting that underneath my lash line. Oh yeah, this is super cool. Like, I love it. So I'm just gonna quickly like contour my face because I'm looking ghostly. How I love this color. Sharp. Next, we're going in with a Clinique product, which is the Clinique Cheek Pop Blush Pop. And guess the name. It's Peach Pop. Like, we're not popping enough over. And I was drawn to this color when I went to their studio because it was so pretty. They were just calling my name. So I just had to pick the blush. Like, I live for peach blushes, right? But take a look. How stunning is this? Oh. See, Clinique, you got my love. Oh, when I smiled, it's so pretty. So the blush is actually so pretty and it has some shimmer to it. Let me just rub that on my hand to be sure. Yes, it has a little bit of shimmer to it and I love how, you know, it's just so pretty. You can actually do without highlights, but Ugo is always extra. So I'm gonna pop on some highlight on my cheeks. See that? I know you do. I like my highlight to start from my cheeks, so when I smile, it hits you like, ha! It hits you so hard. Hi, yeah, nice to meet you. You see me? I see you too. I'm just gonna put a bit of that on my forehead as well, and on my chin, Cupid's bow, tip of my nose. Alright, so before lipstick, I'm just going to apply some setting spray from New Beauty. So next up, I'm going to do my lips. I watched this tutorial on, I think it was Instagram or YouTube, where a girl used concealer as like lipsticks. So I'm just going to line my lips now. So I'm going to be using the Clinique concealer today as my, you know, lipstick to make my lip pop. Let's see how that goes. So to top it up, I'll just be applying some gloss because they've used gloss to cost me. They officially cost me lip gloss. So I'm cursed. So I always set my face twice, so I'm gonna set my face again, this time just lighter, mostly around these areas where the concealer is, so it just looks like skin. Basically, I just like to set my face. That's the moral of what I just did. And we are done with our face. Hey, my face is popping, y'all. So guys, this is the finished look, and I hope you guys like it. I am definitely living for it, and all these products have actually acted like beyond my expectation. Like the foundation, the concealer, everything is just sitting and sinking into my skin so well. Like I can't, like, I'm surprised. Like when I see Clinique, I see old women, I see people that don't really like, funky, but it's actually all good stuff and all quality stuff for either the old or the young. Like they cater to all. I think they are just very simple in their products. Like they're very simple. They won't give you like a 14 pack eyeshadow. They give you something very simple on the go. I'm really living for my eye look right now. Like can you see that? Like that blend is seamless. Like I had no issues with the eyeshadow whatsoever. My concealer is popping. The blush, like this, I'm just gonna be smiling. Hi. What's your name, Ugo? And also, you guys, I have a different hair this week. Hey, I told you guys, I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. Like I look so different on this hair. So this hair is from BB's and I absolutely love it. I really love the hair. It is so pretty, like so natural. I really love the texture. It is so soft. And yeah, her Instagram is BB's official. I will link everything, including like Clinique products, down below. I will also list their prices down below. Do not forget, you can purchase any Clinique product you want from JUMIA.com. JUMIA sells Clinique products. Like I didn't just say that already. So if you're looking for any product, including the brushes I used today to blend my foundation, you can all get them from JUMIA. You can get all of them from JUMIA.com. Like I'm so engrossed in myself that I can't even talk. Like I'm shocked. We can get all the products, all the Clinique products from JUMIA.com. And yeah, hey, go share it. Hey, my brown teeth. Hey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Like I got so lit at the end because I'm just like, and I don't have anyone I'm going to. Sacha. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's your girl Ugo, and be sure to subscribe.